Welcome to the DXP Pump Service Center, located in Pasadena, Texas. DXP started repairing our customers' pumps in 1908 and now have over 35 pump service centers in North America. Our Pasadena, Texas location repairs simple Tier 1 pumps to complex Tier 3 high-energy pumps. Dynamic balancing, hydrostatic and non-destructive testing, and painting are all part of the repair process. From the 5-inch horizontal boring mill to the 54-inch vertical turret lathe, the Pasadena Pump Service Center can handle the broad range of pump repair our customers demand. The DXP Mechanical Seal Repair and Refurbishment Center, located in Pasadena, Texas, is your one-stop source for mechanical seal repair. Located inside the Pump Service Center, DXP offers you a fully equipped mechanical seal repair center, 6 lapping machines, optical flatness, and air testing, 24/7 emergency turnaround, competitive pricing, a large inventory of replacement components, and the ability to repair and refurbish all brands of mechanical seals.